Alrighty, welcome back to MTV's Good Life. We're learning to make dessert nachos, and it's soon to be Carol's absolute favorite dessert.
Already is.
Okay, so during the break, you added the chocolate
All right,
mixture to...
I took our chocolate mixture and I put it into our sugar mixture, and that's, so right now we're at a very fudgy state. And we're gonna turn the heat down.
Smells really good.
I'm trying not to let the...
No, you're doing great.
Keep it in the pan, Ronnie.
Keep it in the pan.
pan.
All right, now you want to bring it to a nice boil. Then we're going to take it off of the heat. Wow.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Off the heat?
Off the heat. We are going to
we're
add
gonna thicken it up.
our butter. We have 3 tablespoons of butter and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla that we're going to put in there.
Yummy.
Why do you put the vanilla with the butter?
I don't know. That was the recipe I found, and I'm like,
There's a reason.
He follows directions.
I follow the direction. And it was kind of nice. I was like, hey, this kind of puts it in steps. And I like steps because they're a little easier to remember, and they're really a lot easier to teach people that this is the order of things you're going to go.
Yep.
As you can see, this does make a lot. Be very careful. The main reason we took it off the heat is we don't want it to burn. Burnt sugar, burnt chocolate can sometimes get really smelly, and you don't like that.
All right.
So you're doing great. Awesome.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So we have our chips ready to go.
Oh, we have some left?
Lack thereof.
There are, wow, that smell just kind of popped right there, didn't it?
Yeah.
It smells
You got that.
delicious.
I think the butter just thickens
You want
it up,
like a
doesn't
little
it?
ladle to...
Ooh, yeah, ladle. That'd be
Yeah.
delightful.
Let's ladle this.
I can double hand it. Over
And really,
a
I'm
hot
just,
oven.
you got to make sure you won't get all of the stuff dissolved. That's really what a lot of this
I think
is.
we're doing.
Spoon it a little.
Spoon it. I can spoon it.
Oh my God, homemade hot fudge. Alex, you have outdone yourself. Have you ever made this homemade hot fudge before?
I made it yesterday,
Wow.
just to make sure that the recipe was as good as I like it. Now, we would normally want to cook it a little bit longer just because you can see there's a little bit of chunks in it. I don't mind.
That
Now,
looks
we're going to
good.
add some fresh fruit. We got some
Because
blueberries.
you have to make it healthy.
Yeah, we're making it super healthy.
Yum.
Oops.
This is perfect. What a great
See,
dessert.
now, if I would make it more like they put the chocolate and make it more fondue-y,
Oh,
because
yeah.
I like to dip my nachos.
And what are those? Oh.
These are things I got at Hy-Vee. They are chocolate-covered pieces of peanut butter and peanut butter-covered pieces of chocolate.
Stop it.
I'm
Really?
like, these are going to go right on
Well,
top
you
of these
can
nachos.
do whatever you want
Yeah,
to.
exactly.
However
You can
like
do a
it.
nacho bar with this and just let people put what they want on it.
That's
just
a
think
great
that's-
idea.
Genius,
Excuse me?
Alex.
Oh, don't you dare, Alex.
That a way to be.
You are my newest
And we
favorite
have
nacho
dessert
king.
nachos.
And you can even cut up strawberries. You have
Yeah,
strawberries
I have the
over
strawberries.
there.
We just didn't have the time to cut the strawberries.
You know, if you were
bananas,
celebrating the
raspberry.
end of the school year with your kids or grandkids or whatever,
Go to his house.
that would be fun. Because they would have fun to
Yeah.
cut it up and make it.
And it's really easy to make those nachos at home. And they're, again, there were supposed to be a lot more. I ate a lot of them because they're just so good.
Yeah, tell us the recipe to this again.
Okay, to make the chips, you take the 10-inch tortillas, about 10 of them,
Okay.
slice them into the chip sizes, shapes that you
Okay.
kind of want. Then you're going to toss it in a half of a cup of melted butter.
Okay.
Then you're going to toss it with let's see, it was 2 tablespoons of cinnamon with
Okay.
a half of a cup of sugar.
Okay.
Mix that together and then kind of toss it all together so the cinnamon gets nice and mixed up.
Mm-hmm.
Lay it out on parchment paper or on a rack in
Okay.
in the oven. Bake it at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes. You can go up to 12 minutes. I went with 8 because I didn't want to overdo them because I was
Yeah.
a little scared of burning them.
Yeah.
And if you're not using a rack, definitely don't go to 12 minutes because they'll get stuck. But I
Okay.
took it out and I kind of tossed them together with the parchment paper into a pile, separated them. They just came out really awesome.
What
Yeah,
a
they
great
did.
recipe.
Love
Another winner,
this.
winner. Nice job,
Absolutely.
Alex. Appreciate that
Perfect.
very much.
Thank you, Alex.
Yep. Thank you, Alex.
And thank you, friends. Go and make this or make the other one for dinner tonight, my recipe, and have that for dessert.
Yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow.